wondered how Python developers are landing jobs worth $10,000, $20,000 or even $1 million a year? Yes, these are real salaries coders are getting. If you are already a developer or thinking about becoming one, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the top 5 high-paying jobs for Python developers and how you can get there. Let's start with a Python architect role. A high-level role for experienced developers who design and oversee large-scale Python systems. Python architects focus on structure, scalability, and modern application demands. If you are someone with years of Python experience and a passion for system architecture, this is the perfect role. Master frameworks like Django or Flask and system design principles, and you can earn between $140,000 and $180,000 a year. For those seeking structured guidance, we have developed a comprehensive Python courses that take you from fundamentals to advanced concepts in a step-by-step approach. As a special offer for our viewers, you can enjoy a 25% discount using the code PythonHubSub. You can find the link in the description below to begin your learning journey at your convenience. Next step, we have backend developers. If you enjoy building the backbone of web applications, focusing on server-side logic, databases, and APIs, this is the role for you. With Django or Flask experience, salaries range from $10,000 to $150,000. If versatility is your goal, consider becoming a full-stack developer. These developers manage both the front-end and the back-end of applications, which makes them incredibly valuable to any company. You will be writing Python code for the server side and using frameworks like React or Angular for the front end. It's the best of both worlds. And with the added value of mastering the entire tech stack, you can expect salaries ranging from $110,000 to $160,000 a year. For those who love working with data, the data scientist role is where the Python truly shines. Python dominates this field thanks to the libraries like Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, which makes data manipulation and analysis incredibly efficient. Data scientists work across industries like finance, healthcare, and tech, extracting valuable insights from massive datasets. If you are passionate about making sense of numbers and solving problems, data science is for you. And the salaries reflect the demand, with data scientists earning between $120,000 and $170,000 annually. Finally, for everyone fascinated by artificial intelligence, the machine learning and AI engineer role is the pinnacle of Python development. In this role, you will create models and algorithms that allow systems to learn and adapt without needing to be explicitly programmed for every task. Using Python libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, you will be working on cutting-edge projects in machine learning and deep learning. And with salaries starting around $130,000 and potentially reaching $20,000, this role offers both excitement and financial rewards. So, whether you want to focus on backend development, master full stack, or dive into data science and AI, Python is your ticket to high-paying jobs across many industries. The best part, Python's versatility means you can switch between this role as your career grows, making it a long-term investment in your future. If this video helped you figure out your next career move, make sure to hit that like button and share it with others trying to level up their Python skills. And don't forget to subscribe to Python Hub for more content like this, helping you on your journey to mastering Python and landing your dream job.